not something which we sing while sleeping. It is something which does not let you sit. With this inspiring quotes, good morning everyone, respected principal ma'am, sir, and everyone. Here I am Srishti Singh with my group. This is Astha, Kushi, and Pamni. First of all, thank you so much, sir, for giving us such opportunity to present AI on slide. And it's my pleasure to present artificial intelligence in front of you. To begin with me, what is artificial intelligence? If I am talking about what is artificial intelligence, if we hear the term artificial intelligence, immediately in our mind comes that we hear that AI, artificial intelligence in movies, moving machine, and Tesla car, and whatnot. But have you ever asked what is artificial intelligence actually is? Let me explain. The ability of computer program or machine to think and learn is artificial intelligence. It is also the field of study where it tries to make computer more smart. It also the program which tries to mimic human, the way we think, do think, and think. If I am talking about artificial intelligence, the ultimate aim of artificial intelligence to mimic human and try to think on its own decision. Okay, if I am talking about the example in everyday life of artificial intelligence. Apple Siri, Google Now, Microsoft Cortana are the main example of artificial intelligence in our daily life. With this digital assistance, we are able to send or searching something on web or send commands to another app, and with this help we checking our schedule also. These are the examples which I took the everyday life. But if I am talking about the recently example of artificial intelligence, we all had seen that on 22 January there was an inauguration of Ram Mandir in Ayodhya. We all are aware this there was a Murti of Ram Lala. These are the video are trending, whether you see or not, I don't know, but a little bit I will tell you about this. The way Ram Lala blinking his eyes or he is smiling, his head moved here and there. How is it possible? If someone not aware this, all are think that it all are miracles. But no, it is not the miracle. These all are happened with the help of artificial intelligence. Okay, if I am talking about the artificial intelligence history. In innovation by world driven. The innovation, a silent revolution, is underway. The birth of artificial intelligence is beginning in 1950s variation. Like here I am talking about four-person who helps to establish artificial intelligence. The first one is Alan Turing. He was the person who dared to dream creating computer machine that could think like a human being. Then after there was a man, John McCarthy, who coined the term artificial intelligence and established artificial intelligence in research of former field. Then there was a two-man, Helmut and Arthur Schwartz. He was the person who tried to found the program, theoretic program that demonstrate the computer program. Then there was a person, Arthur Schwartz. He was the person who created the first computer program. Thank you from my side. Asta will conclude more about artificial intelligence. last time tell about you types of AI. There are four types of cloud AI: reactive machine, theory of mind, self-awareness, and limited memory. First of all, I'm tell about you reactive machine. Reactive machines are machines that have no memory and are the specific tasks and deliver the same output. For example, Tableau, IBM is testing AI system. Now, second one is limited memory. Limited memory is a machine which delivers the past delivering data or event. For example, capturing card, virtual and chatbot assistant. Now, theory of mind. Theory of mind is term coined by Primak and Ujjov in 1978. Theory of mind is the third type of AI and the next level of AI system which interacts with the human thoughts and feelings. For example, empathy and autonomous car. Now, fourth one is self-awareness. Self-awareness is a term coined by Sally Dovell and Robert McLeod in 1972. Self-awareness is the ability to focus on yourself, how your actions, thoughts, or emotions do or do not align with your internal standard. For example, growing mindset, know the feelings of others. Now, I'd like to call Polly to tell about your advantage and disadvantage of AI. Advantage of AI: reduction in human error, available 24 hours, helping in repetitive jobs, used as daily application. Disadvantage of AI: Disadvantage of AI: high cost of creation, lacking out of box thinking, unemployment, no emotions. Thank you. I would like to call Srishti. The overall about artificial intelligence is the way I am telling artificial intelligence. It all aims the artificial intelligence to mimic human. Here the points are right that in conclusion the goal of AI is to provide software that can reason on input and explain on output. In our surroundings, artificial help us to manage certain